Welcome to the Amphenol Broadband Solutions training on the fiber splice box grounding. In this training, we'll show how to prepare the enclosure for grounding, show how to install the ground feed-through kit, and we'll install the B-bond clamp. The fiber splice boxes have 4 grounding bonding points to accommodate any bonding requirements. Here I'm showing the FSB-A. Let's prepare the enclosure for grounding. In this example, we'll be using the ground feed-through kit, GFT. All grounding should follow local codes and practices and company policies. The ground location is protected from paint coverage by a mask, and this must be first removed from the ground area to expose the metal. From the left side, knock out the knockout, and use the pliers to remove the metal plug. Install the ground feed-through from the outside of the FSB, making sure to insert the long thread end first. On the inside of the FSB, install the nut on the threaded stud. Using a 7/16 inch torque wrench, tighten the nut and torque to your company's approved level or 40 inch-pounds. Install the remaining nuts and washers. Next, attach the external ground wire, then the star washer, then the nut. Torque the external nut per company approved practices. If using a shielded incoming cable, ground the cable using the optional B-bond cable grounding clamp and the 5-inch stranded ground wire. To install the B-bond clamp, cut a slit on the opposite side of the cable from where the B-bond clamp will be installed by using the ripcord or cable cutters. Insert the connector base between the shield and the fiber tubes. Install the connector top over the connector bottom threaded stud and install and tighten the nut. Place the ground wire over the threaded stud and install the nut and tighten. Let's review what we've covered in this training session on the fiber splice box grounding. We showed how to prepare the enclosure for grounding, showed how to install the ground feed-through kit, and how to install the B-bond clamp. Thank you for viewing this training on the Amphenol Broadband Solutions fiber splice box grounding. For additional training topics, see our website at www.amphenolbroadband.com.